What's the meaning of beer cellar? Beer cellar. Beer cellar.
Beer cellar. Beer cellar. A beer cellar typically refers to a storage area, usually underground or in a cool, dark location, used to store and age beer. This is because beer is often best enjoyed when it has matured and developed its full flavor profile over time. A beer cellar can help to regulate temperature and control light exposure, both of which can affect the quality of beer. In addition, many beer cellars are equipped with specialized equipment, like kegs and taps, to allow for easy dispensing of the stored beer. Overall, a beer cellar is an essential part of any serious beer lover's collection, and helps to ensure that each bottle or pint is of the highest possible quality.